I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, week 32. And I'm going to incorporate one of my wax seals from Craspire. So our prompts for this week is a contraption, and the prompts for this week just scream steampunk to me. So I've been dying to try steampunk, so that's what I'm going to do. So I've got these contraptions, piece of a postcard. I've got something that starts with the letter F, and I'm going to go with faces, a barcode, a date or anything from a calendar, and I've got these dates. And the bonus is something from a magazine. And I've got this, it's representing 1945, and the glasses look like the steampunk glasses as well. And it was from an Old Life magazine. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And by the way, these images came from MisguidedDesignsShop on Etsy. I thought they were very cool. And be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP32, and be sure and check out the link I'll have in my description box for Craspire. That's where I got my wax seals, and they wanted me to do a review of them, and I did do a review of them previously, and I'm going to use them in this collage as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here it is. It's a little busy, but I like it. Alright, we've got a contraption. I couldn't use my other one, it just wouldn't work. And I've got this contraption as well on that card. Piece of a note card, something that starts with the letter F, and I'm using faces. Barcode, a date, and something from a magazine. I've got this picture. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP32. And be sure and give MisguidedDesignsShop a look. She's very talented. And it's on Etsy. And be sure and check out Craspire for the wax seals. I really have enjoyed this. Well, until next time, bye y'all.